how to connect anti-gravity to Chrome browser. So all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the yes, and then come and then click on the submit, and that is it. Anti-gravity is going to use my Chrome browser and perform the exact task that I asked it to do. And as you can see, it has performed the task. Okay, so let me show you how you can do the exact same thing. All that you have to do is simply open your anti-gravity, and then from the top here, as you can see, I'm using the latest version. Okay, so if you're not having this version of anti-gravity, you have to upgrade it to this version. And to do that, simply come here to check for update from your old version, click on it, and then it's going to update to the latest version for you so that you get this version of anti-gravity. So after that, simply come here to where you have the project, come and put the mouse on create new project, come and click on it, then come and then click on new project. Okay, so after clicking on it over here, you have the option to come and then click on add folder, and then you can add any folder that you want to work with. Okay, but I'm not going to add any folder, so I'm simply going to skip the folder. I'm going to click on skip. Okay, and then from here, all that I have to do is simply come and then name it. So I'm going to name it as Google Chrome connection, and then come and click on create. So we have successfully created our project and we are within it. The next thing is that you have the option to simply come here and then come and click on the down arrow. You can come and select the type of model that you prefer. So I'm going to select Gemini 3.5 flash high. Okay, and after that, simply come here to the plus icon, click on it, and then among the list, you're going to see that you have browser. Come and click on it. So when you click on the browser over here, simply come and then give it the instructions, okay, to use your browser to perform a task. Okay, so just like this. So this is exactly what I want it to do. Simply come and then click on the send button, and then this will pop up. All that you have to do is simply come here to where it says this link, come and put the mouse on it, and then come and click on it. It is going to highlight and then copy just like this. Simply open Chrome browser and then come and paste the link right here, just like this, and then come and then hit enter after pasting the link. So from here, all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the remote debugging. Simply come here and then check the box just like this to allow it. Okay, so after that, it's going to be allowed just like this. Simply come back, just minimize the Chrome, and then come back here and then come and click on check again. Okay, and that is it. It is going to try to use the Chrome browser again, and as you can see, it is using the web browser. Okay, so over here you can see it from here that it is accessing the web, and this pop-up will pop up again. Simply come and then click on allow. Okay, so after that, it will simply start using your Chrome. So as you can see, this is the notification. You can come and click on it, and anytime it asks you, simply come and then select yes to allow it. Okay, then simply come and then come and click on the submit button, and that is it. It is going to open your Chrome browser and then access and then do the exact task you asked it to do. You can find it from the chat here by clicking on it, and then you find the final results just like this. Okay, so let's try and then use it again. So I'm simply going to go to the plus icon, click on it. I'm going to select the browser, and from here, I'm simply going to ask it to simply go to YouTube and then find Google's fresh post and then summarize it for me. I'm going to click on send. And over here, you see that it is asking me to allow it. Okay, so it is going to simply go and then use the Chrome browser. And then from here, I'm going to click here, and I'm simply going to allow it by clicking on the yes, allow this time. I'm going to click on the submit button. Okay, and you can see from here that it is actually using my Chrome browser. So from here, it is going to ask me to allow it. So I'm simply going to click on the allow, and I'm simply going to click on the submit. Okay, and as you can see from here, it is simply going to use my Chrome browser, go to YouTube, find Google's channel, and then summarize its fresh post. So as you can see, it has done the exact task. So to find it, when you come down here, as you can see, cannot send message. So simply come here to the chat and then come and select the one that you are in it. Okay, so after clicking on it, you are going to see the final result just like this, and it has exactly performed the task that I asked it for. One thing is that it also shows the summary of how it did it with a video recording. So when you come and then click on the recording, you are going to find the exact video recording of how it did it. Okay, you can simply come here and then come and click on the play, and then you see that it is going to play and show you how it performed the task. Okay, so this is actually how to connect the Chrome to anti-gravity. Like the video, and then see you in my next video.